Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Infinite Core. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Infinite Core works, so you'll get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you will know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has a wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Infinite Core methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, the Infinite Core is a software bundle that allows you to cancel all your monthly subscriptions, because this program will allow you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, create unlimited funnel or pages, and even unlimited webinars for a low one-time fee for lifetime. But instead, you can use their autoresponder. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers using their autoresponder. And then you can also do the funnel builder, where you can create stunning drag and drop websites and sales funnels with their award-winning page builder. And as for webinar, you can host unlimited video meetings, live conferences, or webinars on their cloud infrastructure. And then you can get all this software in a single bundle for the lowest one-time fee ever. Now this is 100% newbie friendly for those of you who are not having an experience with affiliate marketing. This is newbie friendly, so you can get started with this, and there is no technical skills needed or experience needed to be able to use this product. Now you can get all these services without any restriction with zero monthly fee for a lifetime. Now I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now the benefit of this product is that this is a one-time payment only, because some of the products out there, they will charge you monthly fees, but instead for this one, you can get charged one-time fee for a lifetime, and you pay only once for it, and you get instant unlimited access to Infinite Core to generate traffic for life. And then it's a step-by-step industry insider money-making tutorials. Now the training will show you exactly how to use Infinite Core correctly in order to start earning money from the start. And then it's got the unlimited video meetings and webinars, just like what I mentioned earlier. And you can make your visitors love your webinars. They can throw money at you with full HD quality video streaming. Then it's got the unlimited high converting email blaster, so you can scale your income even more by blasting unlimited list of emails with your offers. And it's got the unlimited conversion crushing websites and funnel templates. Now you can instantly deploy high converting funnels and websites that your traffic will throw money at and fill your pockets with cash. Now, if you have any questions about this program, there is a 24/7 marketing geek support. Now you will get help on how to use the software the right way so you can maximize your results and get as many buying visitors as possible. Okay, so I will be showing you the demo of this product, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
This detailed demo video, I'll be showing you how to what all features are available and how to set up everything. So as you can see, I've logged into the Infinite Core dashboard. And once you enter into the Infinite Core dashboard, you will have an option of 3 apps: Infinite Webart, Infinite Builder, and Infinite Mail. So now I'll be showing you the features available in Infinite Webart. For that, you just need to click on Go to App, in which you will be open to another page. Here you'll be able to see the calendar, all the data of your webinars. So the next one is the meeting feature. For that, you just need to go to Meeting, click on New. And here is where you can create your meeting option, and if you want to make it public, make it public. And as well as you can add an image or a banner for your meeting, and just press save and it will be saved. Also, another option of this webinar is history, in which it will show you all the webinar campaigns that you have already created. And let me just remind you, this is a new account, so there isn't any data to be shown. And it also shows you with DFI videos, and there's also tutorials which is available. So this is the basic setup of Infinite Webinar. The next one is Infinite Builder. For that, you just have to do the same thing, click on it. Once you click there, I'll be showing you how to create, basically build high converting pages. So in the left side, you can actually see the dashboard and projects. So click on project, and then add new. And once you click that, you'll be able to see ready-made templates for header, description, benefits, galleries, and more will be there. So you can pick what you want. So I'm just setting it up, and as you can see, this is basically how it is. You can add everything. It includes subscription bag, contact information. So for this, you just need to click on headers. You can choose the type of template you want. And so now I'm just going to add this template, and you can see you can also change the mode in which you can choose to see how it will look on your phone, your desktop, and everything. As well as you can also change the subtext and everything if you go on global style, and then if you click here, this is where you can create, you can add images, export images, save, as well as that. And like I mentioned, this comes with prepaid templates in which you can choose from. And as you can see, there's a lot of variety designs available. And if you click on navigations, you can also see this the same thing. So this is the basic general features which is available in Infinite Builder. So for each sections, there is a different variety of templates. So for this, you just need to click there, choose, double click here, and then press this, and you'll be able to edit your section. And once you're done, you just need to go here, press add a new page if you want, and then just press save and FTP publish to publish your high converting pages. Now I'll be showing you how to how to use Infinite Mail. For Infinite Mail, we have to do the same thing. Click on go to app, and with Infinite Mail, you'll be able to send unlimited emails. So once you're logged in, then click on brands. So I've already logged in. So click on brands, and then just let my screen load. So these are basically the general features which are so far available in Infinite Webinar and Infinite Builder. And in the case of Infinite Mail, this is the general layout. So if you click on default brand, on brands, now you'll be able to see campaigns, the email list, as well as subscription option. Okay, so for that, so that is the basic thing. And if you go to in campaigns, so for this you just have to go to dashboards, go to campaign. So so go here, click on add brand, and then enter in your add a campaign, and this is how you can use Infinite Mail to create emails for your subscribers. In this feature, you can also upload and manage your email, subscribers, and everything. So it's basically that simple and straightforward. So I just go to default brand, click on go. Now you'll be able to see the options. See, I can choose on the type of campaigns, choose the email template, and everything. So once you click on default brand and enter here, so I'll just repeat the same procedure again. So you go to dashboard, you want to choose on brand, and once you click on brand, you can see all your campaigns list. If you click on list, you can add your subscribers and everything. So you just need to click on add list, and your list will be automatically added. So you can add your list and just press save, and that's the same thing. So this is how all three of the Infinite software bundle works.
Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Infinite Core, this is going to go live on July 3rd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, right over here in this yellow button, that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before my countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. All you need to do, first of all, is click on the link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and you can scroll down, and if you can see here, these are all the bonuses that I'm going to offer to you with this purchase. And then all you got to do is click on each of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about these bonuses and the product, you can actually follow me on my Facebook page here and go ahead and send me a message there, because it's the best way to send me a message, and I can actually see my message on my phone when you decide to send me a message. And then you can go ahead and ask me a question, and then I'm more than happy to respond to your message. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is, at the time of recording this video, it's only going to be one-time price of $12. And also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So if you click the link down below in the description of my video, and this page is gonna open up, and if you scroll all the way down until you see this page here, and then this is where you can see all the upgrades available for you to purchase. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Infinite Core, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, and you will find that down below in the description of any of my review videos, or you will find it onto my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12 during the launch period of Infinite Core. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses, because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 4 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on July 6th. So make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $12. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Infinite Core review, and I hope you enjoy my review video. So make sure to click the link below to purchase the Infinite Core at the discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.